Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Let's go straight to the video. I have little water in this cup and the water is warm, not hot water, please. Here is my yeast. I'm using half tablespoon. Mix it very well. Please make sure your water is not hot but warm. Okay, I'll mix it very well and I will set it aside for about 5 minutes. Even if it stay for 10 minutes, there's no problem, but 5 minutes, I will set it aside. Now here is my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I have 3 cups and half, and I just added 1 cup sugar, half teaspoon salt. Here is the flavor, coconut flavor. I'm going to be using 1 cup, 1 cover, excuse me, 1 cover. Mix it very well. I'm not going to be adding nutmeg so that it will not overpower the coconut flavor. So I'm not using nutmeg for this recipe. So mix it very well. Make sure everything is combined. Right now, I'm going to pour in the yeast, and I used 1 cup and half water, not cold water, not hot water, warm, just warm water. Okay, yeah, it's from the 1 cup and half water I used to mix my yeast. Okay, this time around this tea was too heavy, so I have to use my woody stick, mix it. Look at that. This is exactly what we want, not too thick and not waterish. This time around you have to cover it, and when you cover it, make sure there's no space for air to enter. I've already covered it with this nylon. I'm covering it again for the second time. I've already used 1 part. This is the second one now. Cover it very well. If you don't have this, you can as well use rubber bag. All you need to do is to make sure you cover it well. Then I'm still going to cover it with kitchen towel. Yeah, we are trying to prevent air to enter our batter. Cover it very well and keep it in a warm place for 1 hour, but mine stayed for 7 hours and some minutes, and it's still very good. Yeah, I missed it around to 12 in the morning, some minutes to 12 in the morning, and I fried my puff puff around 7, I think 7:15 in the evening, 7 p.m. Some minutes after 7, you can see that it stayed for 7 hours and some minutes. Why? Because I was busy. I did not forget I kept something aside. No, because I was busy. So I said it's not going to spoil. Yeah, that is me for you. When I'm making video, I'm also busy doing other things. So when you keep your more than 1 hour, 2 hours, don't be afraid, don't be panicking. Maybe to spoil, it's not going to spoil. Look at it, very nice. So it's time to fry my puff puff. I'm using this spoon. I just want to give it a try whether it will give me that circle, that round puff puff. So I tried it. Yes, it was okay, but the puff puff was not big enough. Yeah, it was not up to the size I want, so I later used my hands. Yeah, but my baby loved this little one, this puff puff that is not too big. That's what my baby likes. He will just take one and finish it, but the big one, he will eat it round and ask for more. Before he knew it, this boy have eaten 4 puff puff. 4. Yes, for you to know how delicious this coconut puff puff was. So I'm going to use my hand right now because I need a bigger shape. Just keep turning it around so that both sides will cook well or fry well. So in case you are using your hand, do it like this. You pump it out like this from your hand. You can see that. I will also show you the one you can pinch with your finger. It's not circle like this. You can see that. You push it out. Yeah. This very one I cut with my hand. The size was bigger than that of spoon. So when you pinch it out with your fingers, you can, let me show you one now. Look, I'm just using the front of my, you see, I used my fingers. You see now, it's not where, it's not round like the rest. This very last one you are seeing there, I used my finger, cut it into the oil. It was not circle the way I wanted it. Give this coconut puff puff a try, okay? Just give it a try and you will enjoy it. You will like it. I bought the coconut flavor in India shop. You can see my puff puff, so beautiful and so yummy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, it was so beautiful and yummy. And when my daughter tasted it, she said, mommy, there's something about this puff puff. You added something. I said, yes, I added coconut flavor. Then the other of my daughter said, mommy, this puff puff tastes like exactly the one we used to buy when we were in Nigeria. I said, yes, I added coconut flavor. So they knew that I added something. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video. Have you liked this video? Please subscribe and stay connected. Watch other videos on my channel. Bye bye. See you on my next video.